Most people think wild animals don't notice us. Crows do. It doesn't happen in a moment. It happens in patterns. You return. You stay calm. You don't cross the line. Crows are famous for their intelligence for a reason. They can recognize individual human faces. They remember who helped them and who didn't. Over time, distance disappears, and then one day, something changes. A bead, a button, an object placed where it shouldn't be. Not instinct, not accident. Scientists call it learned trust and recognition. But whatever the name, a wild bird chose to remember you. And that's rare.